To transfer money from Navy Federal to Apple Pay, you need to start by ensuring that your Navy Federal account is compatible with Apple Pay. Navy Federal supports Apple Pay, allowing you to add your Navy Federal debit or credit card to the Wallet app on your iPhone. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus sign in the top right corner to start the process of adding a new card. You will be prompted to choose the type of card you want to add. Select credit or debit card, and then choose Navy Federal as the card issuer. Next, you will need to enter your card details manually or use the camera to capture the information from your physical card. After entering the required information, you will need to verify your card by following the prompts on the screen. Once your card is verified, you can start using it with Apple Pay. However, to transfer money from your Navy Federal account to Apple Pay, you will need to add funds to your Apple Cash card. To do this, go to the Wallet app, tap on the Apple Cash card, and select the Add Money option. You will then be prompted to enter the amount you want to add and select Navy Federal as the funding source. You will need to sign in to your Navy Federal account to authenticate the transaction. After the transaction is complete, the funds will be added to your Apple Cash card, and you can use them to make payments with Apple Pay. It is essential to note that transfers from Navy Federal to Apple Cash may take a few minutes to process. Additionally, make sure you have the latest version of iOS and the Wallet app to ensure compatibility and security. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money from your Navy Federal account to Apple Pay and start using it to make payments. Remember to always keep your account information and transaction history up to date to avoid any issues with your transactions.